Hi, I'm Jasline here. I'm a technical parenting strategist who gives valuable tips to you parents out there who wants to know your child's strengths and weaknesses so that you can unleash the potential. So today, I'm going to tell you a very powerful tip for parents out there who are actually preparing your child for the exams, and that is planning and scheduling. Okay, so this is something that a lot of parents may not realize that it is actually very, very crucial so that you have less stress towards nearing the exams. Okay, so what are the 5 steps? Okay, that a lot of parents actually ask me to share with them because they are frustrated or they do not know how to plan with their child. So step number 1, get the exam timetable from your child. And step number 2, know the topics that are required for each subject, which is the syllabus or what chapters that is required. And step number 3, you actually plan with your child how many days of work that they require for each subject so that they can reach their goals. Remember goal setting that I've done earlier? So this is the 3rd step. And 4th step, you actually use a calendar or you can just draw squares on a piece of paper, write in the dates and fill in the days with the subjects that your child feels that they need to put into, like English, Chinese or Maths every single day. Okay, and then step number 5, and that is at every square, make your child write down what time that they want to study, how many hours for each subject, as well as the breaks. Okay, so that's all 5 steps, and I'll be sharing more with you in detail of how to do preparation for exams, from goal setting to scheduling, and in my next video I'm going to share with you how to do consistent action towards the goals. Right? So I hope you all can come to my webinar this coming Wednesday, 30th of September, to know much more and how you can help your child ace the exams, getting the grades that your child deserves. Okay, I see you this Wednesday. Okay, and remember to share this with your friends. And then in the link in the comments, I will give you the link to my webinar tickets, as well as I'll put it at the last slide. Okay, what will be the website for the tickets. Okay, so I'll see you, and remember to like my page, follow my page, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, share this wonderful news about my webinar. Thank you so much. Bye bye.